Hi, this is Ritin, QR16CS121. I'm here to my 8th experiment on the topic inheritance. My first program is soft musicians. In this program, I've declared a class called musicians. In the public part of the program, I've declared a function void strings. Inside this function, I've declared a string of array size 5, and in this function of string, I've given the array as Veena, guitar, sitar, sarod and mandolin, which are 5 string instruments. Now I've given a for loop int I equal to 0, int less than 5 and int I plus plus, and cout AR of I, and this is to show the output. Next, a similar function void wind is used. Inside this also a string of array size 5 and 5 string wind instruments along with the for loop to display given. Similarly, a void perc function is used for 5 percussion instruments and for int, and a for loop is used to display. Next, the inheritance class, I declared an inheritance class type ins from the main class musicians. Here in the public part, I use a function void get so that I can take the value. Now inside a while loop, I've given cout the type of instruments to be displayed. The first option is string, second is wind, third is percussion, and 4 is to exit. The option is taken inside x. Next, the x and the input x is taken in switch statement where case 1 shows show 1 and breaks, case 2 shows 2, case 3 shows 3, case 4 is exits the form. Now the default I've given as show x. Next, a void show function is declared with int y. Now y is taken inside a switch statement, and for first case the output screen is cleared and string function is displayed. For 2, similarly win, and for third one percussion instruments, the function perc is executed. The default statement for this is wrong choice, try again, so that if the input is given as 5, there is no option for 5. Next, in main type ins ob, an object is declared, and ob.get is used to get the to display the output. Now the output is now I've given type of instruments to be displayed. If I give 1, it shows the 5 string instruments. I give 3, it shows all 3 percussion instruments. If I give 2, it shows the wind instruments, and for 4, it exits the program. Next, I'm going to do the second experiment. In this program, I've declared a class bird with public part of and data structure, data type string of name, and next I've created a function called void print to print the name. Next, I've created an inheritance class called duck from the protected class of bird. That's the main class. Now the public part, I've declared a function void get where the name is taken in as seen. Next, a function void display is used to print the given input. Next, similarly, a class goose and a class owl is created with a similar setup so that the inputted name can be taken as the output. Next, int main, I've declared int max of size 2 so that only two input can be taken in. Next, a duck AR of max, at max value of 2 is taken, and cout the system asks the user to enter the ducks. Now a for loop is used so that first duck and the second duck can be taken. Similarly, a similar algorithm is used for goose and owl. Next, system clear screen to empty the screen completely. Now for int I for loop int I equal to 0, I less than max, and I plus plus is used. This part is so that at first when we give the input, it takes in as 2 owls, 2 goose, and 2 ducks, and the output, the end product what we give should be 1 duck, 1 owl, and 1 goose. So to get in that format, we use this for loop. Program. I'll now execute the program.
And the balance should be displayed